Hey, good Saturday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this August the 31st, 2013. A beautiful day across eastern North Carolina. Couldn't have asked for much better weather than this to start off the first day of football season. ECU taking on ODU this evening. We're doing this update at 8 p.m. on this Saturday. Looking ahead, rain chances do increase over the next couple of days, and overall, not too bad of a forecast. We'll get you in there as we go look inside the forecast here on the ENC Weather Update. Here's a look at Live Viper 9 this evening in a dry scan across the entire east. You see a few showers sneaking into the extreme northwestern portion of the screen there, the top left-hand corner of the screen there. But otherwise, we are pretty much dry at this point. A few showers offshore. They'll try to make their way up towards Hatteras, but I think they may skirt just to the east of Hatteras. But inland area is going to stay dry as we head through the overnight hours tonight. Currently, we're at 81 in Greenville, 84 for New Bern, 81 in Morehead City, 77 already in Roanoke Rapids, 79 at Goldsboro, 81 Jacksonville, and 80 for Kenansville. Dew points all into the lower 70s and middle and upper 60s. So there is some moisture in the atmosphere this evening, and it's a little bit on the muggy side, but not oppressive in many regards. Winds all starting to slack a little bit, mainly out of the southerly route, anywhere from about 5 to 10 miles per hour this afternoon. Otherwise, not too bad. I think the winds will stay up just enough tonight that we won't see very many widespread fog issues through the overnight hours, but we could see some patchy areas going through the overnight hours. Some fairly strong storms rolling through the Piedmont and the foothills earlier on this afternoon has now starting to die out as they're pushing eastward. That frontal boundary, that the trough is really starting to kill them off. Now, there are going to be some clouds that sneak in here late tonight, and they're going to be mainly mid and high level clouds coming in here late tonight. I don't expect many of us going to be dealing with a lot of cloud cover, but there will be some clouds trying to sneak in here late tonight. That's basically just blow off from the storms this evening, but we're going to stay dry. That's the main part that I do want to point out, but you see the trough down there? It is going to continue to make its way northward. A few clouds tonight. Otherwise, looking good for us. We'll still have the winds coming out of the south. A moist atmosphere, dew points near 70. So the temperatures aren't going to fall all that much through the overnight hours, but the winds will stay up a little bit. So we're not going to see as much in the way of fog as what we saw for your Saturday morning, but just some patchy areas to go through the evening hours. Tomorrow, hot and humid. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Inland trough set up, so the inland trough is going to basically fire up the showers and thunderstorms in a moist and unstable atmosphere, but it's not going to have all that much moisture. It's still a little bit lacking in the precipitable water category. We're not going to make it to about 2 inches until probably Monday. So in the meantime, we're just going to be at an average state for atmospheric moisture. So we'll keep it isolated to widely scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And with the inland trough, it looks like most of the shower and thunderstorm activity will stay west of Highway 17 through the afternoon hours for your day on Sunday. Not to say that a sea breeze storm couldn't get in there, but I think most of us will stay dry in that regard. Here's a look at the precision forecast model taking you through this evening. Temperatures will fall down eventually into the 70s, down into the lower 70s inland, middle 70s along the coast. Once again, mostly clear and some high and mid-level clouds trying to get in here with the blow-off from the thunderstorm activity to the west this evening. But we're going to be dry and some patchy areas of fog through the overnight hours. Tomorrow, back up to 90 inland. You start to see by about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon hours, we start getting those showers and thunderstorms firing up. So there will be a period where we see mostly sunny skies, but then we get more cloud cover, more of that cumulus field starting to billow up through the afternoon hours. Like I said, inland temperatures likely near 90, along the coast, middle and upper 80s. Otherwise, things looking good for us for much of the day tomorrow, and a couple clusters of showers and thunderstorms could develop late in the day, mainly for the northern areas north of US 64 and west of I-95 for the day on on Sunday. Looking at the tropical satellite, 10% probability on that shower and thunderstorm complex that's coming across near the Lesser Antilles, 30% probability coming off of the the African coastline. Last night that had a 40% probability, but has now been downgraded. The atmosphere in the tropics just not very conducive for tropical development over the next several days. A lot of wind shear. We have got cooler waters over the Atlantic Ocean, so just not looking all that conducive. I don't think we see maybe a tropical system for maybe another week or two, if anything. So it's just not looking likely at this point that these will be able to develop anything. Looking at the long-range precision forecast, we'll start you off Monday morning. There may be a shower, but I think that's mainly fog being picked up. Then isolated scattered storms through the afternoon hours. Frontal boundary approaches us from the north and west. That will kick up more showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon hours for Tuesday. And then quickly clearing out as we go into the evening hours of Tuesday. I think most of the shower activity done by early Wednesday. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. 20 to 30% chance for a shower or thunderstorm on Sunday, mainly for inland areas. Monday, a little better chance for a storm. We'll go to 90 that afternoon with a 40% shot for storms. Won't rain all day, but do have the indoor plans just in case. I think the best rain chance comes in here by Tuesday with the frontal boundary approaching us. We'll be at 86 that day, and not by the frontal boundary reasoning, more so because we'll have a little bit more in the way of cloud coverage that afternoon. Heading towards Wednesday, an early morning shower or thunderstorm not out of the question, but mostly just staying in the partly cloudy category. Dowdy-Ficklen going to get rowdy again by Thursday. They're playing host to Florida Atlantic Thursday evening. Rain chances look very slim that day. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Will be up to 88 that afternoon. By Friday, better chance for a shower or thunderstorm, but it'll be in the isolated category, so a few of the games may have to switch around and see what's going on there, but I don't think it's going to be a complete washout in any sense for Friday or even for Saturday of this upcoming week. And that'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can stay up to date with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Next update here by tomorrow afternoon. You tune in tonight at 10 o'clock on CW and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Have a great rest of your evening, a great Labor Day weekend, and a great weather week.